Easy access to food and countertop. Easily access food in the toaster oven, broiler and on your countertop with the easy reach roll top door. Fits 4 slices of toast or A9 pizza. This Hamilton Beach toaster oven has room for cooking everything from snacks to side dishes. Cook your way with 3 cooking functions. This toaster oven gives you the versatility to bake, broil and toast. It has temperature options ranging from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, great for everyday tasks like eating leftovers, broiling chicken breasts and making toast. Simple manual controls. This toaster oven has manual controls that are simple to use. Great for anyone who wants a toaster oven that gets the job done without being complicated. Includes 30-minute timer with stay on function, ready bell and auto shutoff. Easy to keep clean while cooking, the door stays up and out of the way of messy spills and drips when opened. The rolled top door and slide-out crumb tray are both removable for cleaning. You won't find a design like the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach toaster oven with roll top door anywhere else. Its unique and large opening makes food easy to reach. And since the door opens above the oven, it frees up your countertop space in front. Best of all, it's easy to keep clean because food can't spill on the door. Contoured dials are easy to grip and turn, making it simple to switch between bake, broil and toast settings. The stay on setting is safer thanks to a stop mechanism that prevents the knob from being turned to stay on by accident. Top reviews from the United States. Best toaster oven. I've been buying/using the B&D toaster ovens for a while, cheap price and small size which I need. They're okay, but also inconsistent. One was tricky to turn off, really had to keep an eye on it, and the last one was so touchy it kept turning itself off so it would take forever to cook anything, like toast. Ridiculous. So I saw this HB with the lift-away door and decided to try it. This is a great toaster oven, heats up great, cooks pretty quick and the door stays clean with the lift-away design. Don't usually do reviews but this oven warranted it, recommend this one.